Market with the market with the mountain lion?
Yeah. I guess so.
So you're my designated convoy for the day, yeah?
Okay. Am I getting paid to do this?
Sure. Convoy is the one who carries the, carries my...
And I also carry.
So this is one of my suki. You say hello. This one, this girl. Say hi.
Hello. Hi. Hi. Gwapo naman yan ah.
Convoy, nakakita ko ng convoy dyan. Okay, let's go.
I remember last time we were here, you
What?
we were here with who's it?
Who?
The YouTuber food singer.
Erwan?
Yeah, I think it was Erwan. And then and the San Antonio, Texas and strawberries.
Oh yeah.
Remember the strawberries?
Yeah.
I remember.
Oh yeah. This is also my suki. That's ate, your mama Letty. Hello. Oh, nakahanap ako ng convoy eh. Yan ang kinabuhat ko ngayon. Convoy.
Kamukha mo naman.
Ayan, bunso, buridok.
Buridok.
Ayan.
Hello po.
Good din. Wala, ano ngayon para kay mama? Puro sa nanay. Bukas ako. Sabi, nagtanong lang ako kung magbabayad daw ako. Sabi ko, ano. Okay, let's go. The thing that we have to buy is we have a list over here. You wanna hold the list?
I'm good. I'm already holding the bag.
Oh, left. Okay, this is our first stop. This is Mudra. You say hello, Mudra. Oh, kale. Kale po. 300 grams na kale.
Uy, may kasama sila.
Convoy. Nakahanap ako ng convoy. Bunso. Yung bunso ko. So, kale. So, this is my other suki. You say, hey, bless to your lola.
Oy, hello.
Oh, bless.
Bless child.
Oh. Ito yung buridok pa man.
Tama di mati. Di may sangangin may
Convoy.
hindi ko ah.
Ay, siya bali na dyan. Dati lakad na dyan dyan eh.
Adalakad na di dahil.
Huh?
Okay, you can put it down there slowly. Thank you, sir. How was your first experience as being a convoy? Okay, for that, you get 100. Thanks for your service, sir. Thank you very much. Oh, that's a very, very good boy. Thanks for helping.
You're welcome.
Alright.
It's got to be harder because you have to carry boxes when you have guests.
Yeah.